Greetings. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is RABISHEIKH, and today I come with a very important decree. As this is our time of regathering, and there are many people now coming together to organize their finances to purchase land here in Israel, the question has been raised as to women's rights for land purchases. I'm going to address this issue today by royal decree. By royal decree, on the 4th day of Av, in the year 5953, at the request of the daughters of Zion concerning the right of possession of the land of their fathers, this has been written before me. But they are worthy that it be said of them, give them possession and an inheritance among the brethren of their father, and make over their father's possession unto them. And when the son of Israel shall speak and say, a man hath died without having a male child, then you shall make over his inheritance to his daughter. If he have no daughter, you shall give his possession to his brothers. If he have no brothers, you shall give his possession to the brethren of his father. But if his father had no brothers, then you shall give his possession to his kinsman who is nearest to him, of his father's family to inherit. And this shall be the publication of a decree of judgment to the children of Israel, as Yahweh hath commanded Moshe. So I, RABISHEIKH Anani ibn Daud, decree this day to the women who return, both the widows and the orphans. I hope that this greets you and meets you with empowerment to know that your return is secure and that our law addresses your needs, your rights, and your ability to prosper in the land. Be blessed. Shalom.